Good morning, traders. This is Monday, January the 23rd, and Friday left us 5 sets of single prints, and I want us to go find it. Well, the overnight session has done nothing but go sideways. Holy moly, just straight sideways. Probably worthy of drawing that box around these levels on the 30-minute, probably from the bodies of candles. I'm probably going to do it like that. And keep that on your chart, and you'll remember that you are in that chop zone. So, to find the single prints, go to the 30-minute chart. It's probably worthy going to the regular trading hours. And what we're looking for is we're looking for all of the places that price only traded once after the first 30-minute candle and before the final 30-minute candle. So between these two candles, we're trying to find where did price only trade once. Now we're going to do this two ways. One is old school. We're looking for gaps. So we know it's between this candle and here. So I'm just going to delete this so I can see wicks. So what I'm looking for is I'm looking for the distance between here and this wick here. Okay. In this area, price only traded one time. Okay. Between the top of this candle and the bottom of this one. And then we're going to measure from this candle to this candle. This is just such a rapid, strong up movement that we're going to honor that by marking our single prints. Now, it doesn't come down to the bottom of this candle, although it does because it happens to line up with that. Am I right? Am I right or am I right? So let's use a little tool there. Let's put a level there. Yep, that's accurate. So it's not at the top of this candle because this price went higher over here. So we're only trying to mark where did price trade one time. Now, as a little tool to help speed up everything, you can use a fair value gap indicator, and you can see how the indicator is lining up with the levels that I marked. Okay, do you see that? And I put a white line, and then I put SP for the filling of the single prints. Now, let's copy that. I'm going to put that here. Actually, let's turn back on our magnet tool so we can be more precise, and we're going to put it here, and we're going to put it here, and this is the first candle. I got to delete it so I can see the wicks, and yep, fair value gap here, which is inside of between the first 30-minute candle and the last 30-minute candle. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sets of single prints. I typically mark where the single prints fill, but if you want to do it this way, bottom of single prints, okay, and you wanted to mark the top so you know when you're entering the zone, I understand that. It's no problem. I typically only mark when they're filled because I find that to really five sets. So that's finding the single prints from Friday, January the 20th for today. I have no clue if price is going to fill them today, but they will remain on my chart until they are filled. I'll select them all, and then my object tree, I'm going to slide them down to my 30-minute and 1 hour and 4-hour folder. And that's part of my morning prep, part of my morning pre-flight checklist, which is something we teach in our core strategy. Okay, thanks for watching.